Hey guys, what's up? It's Christina, back again with another video, just more of a day in the life kind of format. So we're going to this new bowling alley that opened up maybe about a month ago. It's called Bowling Playa. It's on 5th Avenue between 4th and 6th Street. We went on a Friday, so on Fridays it's open from 3 p.m. to 1 a.m. and Monday through Thursday it's open from 6 p.m. to 1 a.m. And at the end of this hallway there's like 3 different doors. I wasn't sure which one to go into. I'm looking at that one like it's the right one, and it actually was, but someone pointed us to the right direction, so that is how we got to this point right here. And we made a reservation. We had a pretty big party, so with that you have to get there 10 minutes before the reservation time, and then they don't give you a lane until everyone's actually physically there. So you can see there they have like hookah, they have the pool table, they got a couple of table games, board games, Jenga, that kind of thing. And also over there you can see there's a table shuffleboard. They got 6 lanes in total, so we're all the way at the end on lane number 6. And the actual game, we paid for it at the very beginning where we got our shoes. So the shoe sizes are in centimeters, so I got the 25 centimeter, and my size US is 8 in sneakers. But mine was also, like, the size was in the Nikes that I was actually wearing, so it was helpful. And this was an error that we got that prevented us from bowling just for a little bit. So what happened was, like, where the balls come out, there was one that was just kind of stuck in that passageway right there. Yeah, you can see it. So someone's about to explain that we just have to move that to the side, and then we'll be able to keep bowling. So one thing that I really like about this place is they have, I mean, you can stay there for a while, but they're pretty busy, pretty small, so they allow you to be there for like an hour, and then you kind of have to see if there might be anyone waiting to maybe re-up. But they have food, they have a full kind of menu, hookah, a full bar, and with the, we just got drinks there, but they have, you know, kind of bar food, they have regular food, pasta. So we started a tab at the bar, and then at the very end is when we paid. And then with the at the beginning you can pay with a card or cash. Don't let any injury stop you from bowling, guys. Well, thanks for tuning in, and we hope to see you soon. Ciao.